This is to show the proper installation of an insulation piercing connector on 15 kV cable. The first step is to make sure you have the proper connector for the cable. This is 1/0 15 kV cable. We look at the nameplate and this is the correct connector. So our first step is going to be to take the bail and insert it into the connector. And then I'm going to bring these screws down just a little bit. We'll then set it on the conductor, hand tighten both bolts. We want to make sure we've got the connector parallel and perpendicular. Parallel with the stirrup and the conductor, perpendicular crossed. With everything installed then, we'll use a high torque 5/8 6-point socket. We want to check our battery, make sure we're at least half charged, make sure we're going the proper direction. Then we'll partially tighten the first bolt, partially tighten the second bolt. Then we're going to completely shear the head off of both. That's all there is to the proper installation.